As you can see, it's a very windy day. I thought I would come outside and check on my plants, and I am so glad I did, because check this out. Look at this. It's bent over because it's so tall, and the wind just took it down. So I have to fix this, and I have to chop the head off so that I can propagate it, just like this one. But first I'm going to prop it up, and I will take care of the propagation when it's not so windy out. But everything else is looking pretty good. We get such strong winds around here, and it just beats up the plants. Not to mention it gets extremely hot because this is a south-facing window box. But the two other eaves needle are doing fine. I moved it to this spot to protect it from the wind, knowing that we were going to get strong winds today. And I'm so happy I did. Here is a closer look at the eaves needle. I've supported it with this branch, some pine cones, another branch. The wind is supposed to die down later this evening, but there were wind gusts of up to 60 miles an hour, I believe. But yeah, I've got to do something about this plant.